Hello there. What's going on? Beautiful, dedicated, strong-willed Forex traders around the world. This is Mohammed Kande coming at you with a beautiful analysis on Great British Pound Swiss franc. I'm extremely excited about the type of movement that we're going to get on this pair. Really clean setup. I'm gonna break it down and we're gonna kind of go over it and we're gonna see what we can kind of squeeze out of it, man. So before we dive into it, let's go ahead and mark up a couple of things over here. So if you guys take a look on the monthly right here, we've the market has kind of been stagnant in this area right here from 33.44 to 25.16. Market kind of gave us a double top last week, and I'm expecting price to push down. But let's just take a look at it, right? When you're breaking down the market, always start from the monthly. But you're not always going to get the visual that you need on a monthly. So if you don't have the visual that you need on a monthly, it's not bad to just break it down another time frame. And then once you break it down, then you can kind of see it a little bit better, right? So let me move this this trend line over here real quick out of the way. You can tell that's not where it's supposed to be. Let's move it real quick. Visibility is not on the week or the monthly. All right, perfect. So if you guys take a look, this is what we've been having, right? Price pushed up, we had a pullback. Price pushed up again, gave us a deep pullback, and then price came back up to give us a double top. And we're looking for price to land, to come back and retest this this support area at 29.91 and possibly break it and go to the 25.37 area. It's a really clean setup, right? So this is what we're looking at right here. So this is what we're looking at, right? Price came to this area over here, right? Quick technicals. Price came over to this area, gave us a double top. Within this double top, we also have a big bearish engulfing, swallowing the last candle. That's one. Two, you have what's called a railroad pattern right here to let you know that the market is probably going to change. And if you guys take a look, history repeats itself. Look at what happened here. Last time the market came here and did that, what did we get? We got a push all the way down to the downside, all the way down to 29.88. Okay, price is at 31.52 right now, close to 100 pips. Well, we're expecting a minor pullback into the week, and we'll kind of break that down. Okay, and if you guys know, on the double top, it's just a quick measure. So you measure from the top to the bottom. Excuse me, from the top. There we go. To the bottom of the double top. Boom. And then you measure that distance at the bottom, and you can expect price to travel that distance. Remember, I told you guys we'll possibly look at an opportunity at 25.38 here at this next support. So we could possibly get that move, right? So let's break it down in terms of let's simplify this and let's talk about how we're going to get into the market, right? And how we are going to take this thing on down. One thing that I always like to do, I like to measure the last leg before the market exploded up. So this was the last leg before the market exploded up. So if you measure this leg from top to bottom, you're gonna see that the market ended at the 127 area. This is a strong area where the market can switch up. Always remember this, 127.20 and the negative 27, okay? 127.20, if you don't have that area marked in your fib, 127.20 and 161.80. These are extensions in the Fibonacci. Very important. And then you have the negative 27 and the negative 61, right? 127 area is an area where the market is going to turn around, more than likely. And if you guys take a look at our TP. We're at one point, we talked about 1.2532. If the market breaks it, look at where the negative 27 is. The negative 27 is literally at our next, you know what I mean, at our next support, right, a little bit above it, right, not too far. but just focus over here. 127.20 is a great area for the market to switch. And if you take a look, the market tested it one time, didn't like it, dropped, came back to it, tapped it clean this time, and now we're looking for a drop. So confluence, confluence, confluence. My job is to create as many reasons as possible to get into the market. I'm a detective. The more confluences, the better. So simple, right? Now let's take a look over here. Boom. Look at this right here, right? What did the market do? The market tapped the 88.6. And if you guys understand the stair stepping that the Fibonacci does, look, the market is going to pull into the 78.6, right? That's the 50% retracement of this weekly candle right here, where I'm expecting market to come and tap, and then we're going to get a short. Really, really small setup. Really, really straightforward setup, man. You guys are going to love this. Now let's break it on down to the daily. Now this is where it makes all the sense, right? So if you guys take a look, the market had been pushing up, right? Creating higher lows and higher highs. Now we've gotten to a point where the market did not create a higher high after this last push. So you had this push right here. You had this push, right? And then you had this push. And then you had this push. And then you had a deep pullback. Still in trend, deep pullback, right? And the reason why you had this deep pullback is because no retest, no entry. The market broke this trend line right here, and it didn't give it a nice retest. So the market came back and gave it a deep retest right here, but this time we did not have a higher high. So that is the first sign that the market is actually going to change direction, right? Not having a higher high and having a double top, right? Now let's take a look right here. I had this trend line set up, beautiful, right? No candles are cut until here. Market had cut the candle, and market really didn't retest this candle. Once the market cut the trend, broke the trend line, it came all the way down to support, right? So after a strong push to the downside like this, there's always going to be a pullback, exhaustion, break, timeout, whatever you want to call it, right? So the market actually pushed all the way down to support. Right here, nice structural area right here. Look, all the way down. Nice little structural area. The market pulled all the way down. Now, before the market can continue, the market has to take a breather. Boom. We have to get that pullback. That pullback at our 50% retracement lines up with the market coming back and pulling back and tapping this trend line at the beginning of the week. I'm looking for the market to tap this trend line at the beginning of the week. Then we're looking to drop this bad boy all the way down here. Simple, simple, beautiful setup. You can catch this setup on a daily, you can catch it on the H4, but this is just a simple setup, and it lets you know what I mean? It's just quick little technicals. Quick technicals. Let me, I've been trading this pair for quite some time now, so, and if you guys take a look right here, right? Look at this. Nice upward move, right? Market broke, retest. This would have been the beautiful entry right here. This is the entry that I missed last week, Wednesday. I actually missed this because I didn't think it was gonna. I was waiting for another test of the trend line, but I didn't. I'm sorry, of my resistance, but I didn't get it, and then the market shot down. But it's all good, right? And then look, and by then I was so done with this pair, I missed another setup right here, structure. But it's all good. Now we're gonna catch another one right here, right? Which lines up with structure on a daily. And it's kind of going to get us what we need. So I'm really, really excited about this, guys. So if you guys take a look right here, put up our short position right here. This is a simple trade. Risking 50 pips. To get 265 pips. Beautiful setup. 5-to-1 ratio. You can't beat that. That's a beautiful setup. Great opportunity. And I hope that everybody takes advantage of it. And happy trading, everybody.